Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna cover a very special topic. So in this video we're gonna see how we can write our email faster with Google Gemini. So let's start with the video without any delay. So just like you, I was also confused with the topic. So what I did, I directly asked to Gemini itself. And what I got to know is that Gemini for email is not available for everyone using Gmail. Right now it is available for paying Google Workspace users along with some limitations. Currently it is a part of early access programs, but Google is planning to expand the access for Gemini for the emails. Now let's see how we can use Gemini to draft an email. So here on the official website of Google support, we got some demo videos of drafting email through Gemini. If you want to write an email using your computer, then first of all click on the option of compose, then click on the option of help me write. Now write the description of the email, click on create button and then click on insert, and here your perfect email with Gemini is created. Now if you are using an Android device, then go to compose and follow the same method. Now if you are using an Apple device, then you also have to follow the same method. You can see the steps in the video. So that is it for the video. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.